What up, YouTube? Brokefarmer back for another video on this beautiful day, y'all. Let's just do a garden tour, y'all. Let's see what's left in the garden. It ain't gonna be spectacular, but I got some other cool things I'm gonna show you. A little fertilization tip, and we're gonna do one or two more things, maybe. All right, let's start in this little I say little container. It's about a 15-gallon, 14-gallon container. Got a little something going on in here. I got my little bok choy holding on, and I didn't plant a skillion carrots this year because we don't eat a skillion carrots. So that's probably 10 carrots. That probably lasts us 6 months. I mean, we ain't carrot people like this. Curly Kale trying to get back right. She look pretty though. Look at her. She got the new growth on the inside. Look at you. I'm proud of you. A little pawpaw tree I got sitting here in the container, wait for spring to put it in the grind, baby. And I got my Olympia spinach. First off, this Olympia spinach is delicious. Let's start there. I did some spinach wraps with it last night off the meat rack. Did I grow it from seed? Nope, sure didn't. Olympia spinach, good taste to it, grows well. It survived, I don't know, 20s, bunch of 20s, a bunch of 30s. Yeah, I just fertilized. That's when I did it. Yeah, my hands stink now. Then I got a little experiment going on over here that ain't working out. My whole thing is I want to leave it in this pot and then just plant it in the ground, see how long I can keep that spinach going. Might not be a good idea. And over here I got the big bed of garlic. All this is garlic, y'all. It ain't looking too good right now. Don't get caught up on that. Don't get caught up on that. Nothing but garlic on it. This should be enough garlic this year. And what I'm noticing is the birds like to come in here and just dig the garlic up, man. I don't know why. Why am I echoing? Anyway. Look at that. They just dug it out and it's still trying to grow. Let's just cover that up. All right. So right next to the garlic bed, I got strawberries. Strawberries. Yeah, y'all with me when I set up these two new raised beds. I'm still waiting to get a couple more dollars and build my arch. That's coming soon. Be patient. All right, these collard greens, I ain't looking that good, but guess what? I don't know how many freezer bags full of collard greens I got. So I'm gonna just hold off and let them do their thing. And if some's still alive, I'm gonna keep 3 plants and see can they make it through the winter time. If not, I cut them out. I'm not in love with plants like that. I'm in love with eating the food. You know what I mean? Few garlic in here. I gotta have garlic everywhere, man. Fun fact, I haven't bought garlic in 3 years. All this is garlic I grew the first year. I ate a third of it and planted the rest. And these cabbage, oh my God, they've been eating them up. But it still got that there. That's all I'm worried about. Do I need to pull these leaves off? Yes. These leaves gonna bring bugs if I don't get them off. But I ain't finna do it now. I'm gonna do it when I want. More cabbage, more cabbage, more cabbage. This Swiss chard don't want to die, and I'm proud of you. Salute you. More cabbage. I probably just need to pull that one out. But I don't know. It's a lot of green in there. Play ball. Play ball. And these are my prettiest cabbage. I know why, because this bed is mostly just made up of compost. But I got some pretty cabbage in there. I got some pretty cabbage. Pretty one. I'm just saying. This goddamn cabbage make you want to sing, guy. Look at that. Balling up. Balling. Balling. I do need to get some of these old leaves out of here. Okay. Empty bed. just waiting for the spring. I've already amended her. She sleep now. I got a couple garlic in there because I got extra garlic. That's what I do. Still got collard greens over here too in the big bed. In the big bed. Pineapple, R.I.P. I thought you was a soldier. You let me down. Yeah, and I know somebody in the comment, bro, you should have put it in a container and then brought it in the house in the greenhouse. Fun fact, nothing that's been outside come back in my house. If you're an outside plant, you're an outside plant forever. I wish I might bring some back in my goddamn house. Lizard jumping out. No. R.I.P. to the old pineapple plant. You should have been stronger. You should have ate your vitamins. I done fed you the whole spring or summer and you fall apart. That's your fault. Moving on. More collard greens. And yeah, I gotta get some of them yellow leaves out here. We don't got so much rain. Yeah. Rain, cold. Tell you how something else that tripped me out. These are radishes, right? How about I have birds that come and dig them up and then just leave them there? They don't even pick them. So if birds don't like radish, why y'all like radish? All they do is uncover these radish. Now some of these radish look big. Like that one. Y'all want that radish? Hell no. I don't want it. I want this to go to seed and get the seed so I can give y'all some good radish seeds. Cause y'all like them radish. Y'all like them radish. So that's my whole point with this. It's good for the soil. Keep the soil from getting compacted. But I don't want to eat them. I just want the seeds, baby. Then I can give y'all some free seeds at Seedmas. Know what I mean? I'm thinking about y'all. And this is purple kale. I forget the name of it. This is horrible. This is truly horrible. I don't know what animal. I'm sorry, I don't mean to talk about people now. I don't know what people keep this variety going on. Let this variety die. Whatever this purple kale is, let this variety die. It don't deserve to be in nobody else's garden. Moving on. Oh, I also got garlic all the way down here. Not that I got it for pest control. I don't think garlic works for pest control. We like to eat garlic. But if you don't pull your onions, they coming back. I didn't pull these onions because I don't like onions. So they coming back. That's fine and dandy, but it does not stop bugs in your garden. It does not. Also, Brussels sprout doing horribly. And they're gonna do the same thing. Around springtime, they're gonna jump up and look real good, then the bug gonna eat them to death. I've seen it a million times, y'all. More garlic, more garlic, more garlic. I don't know why I got this dirt on this. Clean yourself up. More cabbage, more cabbage. That's a pretty one there. Also, my peas gone to the upper room. This might be the piece I tasted and threw over there. And these are turnips. The bulbs coming up down there. So we're gonna try to cover them bulbs back up, because them bulbs shouldn't be getting no sunlight. But I know all this rain is it's hard to keep them covered up. Also, really means they need to be pulled. So I'm gonna harvest those out. We'll do that on the camera. We got my 2-year-old greasy leaf collard green. She look pretty. Ooh, 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 ooh. Now also, it's nothing over here with some garlic. Y'all already see a theme. Bunch of garlic. My other greasy leaf collard green. 2 years. 2 years. Asparagus bed. I can't wait for you. All right, look at these turnips out of here. I'm just growing them for the turnip roots for my mother-in-law. And that green right there, you don't want to eat that. That's where it got too much sun. Oh boy, I gotta do better. All right, any more to pull? That look pretty big. That's a good one. That's a good one. Brokefarmer, you a good gardener. Yeah, you is. Yeah, you is. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, that's a nice one. That's what it's supposed to look like. That's kind of what the package looked like. How about I just pull all of them up? Yeah. Left that in there, that started splitting. Didn't get big. That one's splitting too. Sorry. Is that all of them? Yeah, that's all the good size. My bad, y'all. That wasn't that exciting. I should have left the camera out. I mean, all in all, the one garden ain't doing that bad. Things that I was concerned might not make it. My rosemary, doing fine. Rosemary, fine. We're gonna move on from that. Ain't nothing to even talk about. But my sage, I think it'll grow back from the roots, y'all. I really do. Some things you just experiment with and see how it goes. Yeah, Florida broadleaf mustard. And I can't get enough of them to get a harvest. So I just let them die back and feed the soil. Everything feed the soil. Y'all know me. My moringa, I really wanted this moringa to make it. I say that, but I didn't even cover it up. I'm lying, y'all. I put no effort into it. So, who knows? All right, now this is my lavender and grind. It's doing well. It's doing well. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna pull these up, y'all. These are goddamn embarrassment. I don't want y'all to think this is the type of gardener I am. Yeah. Yeah. All right. My Santa Rosa plum. I did a lot of pruning. I need a wood chipper so I can chip all this up. But I ain't got a wood chipper. So you know what I do? Everything is chop and drop in my yard. Everything. Go back and feed the soil. That's what it's supposed to do. But that ain't the point of what I came over here for. I just think she pretty cut back. I don't know, I think that's 15 feet. I think that's high as I'm gonna let my trees grow. This Asian pear, I don't know how over the winter, it just seemed like it shot up. But I still got some more pruning to do with this one. Crossing branches. And this here. One of them gotta go. I don't know. I need to cut that branch right there. That's the one that gotta go right there. That one and this one. See how that one crossing that one? See how that one crossing? That ain't got nothing to do with the video. My bad, y'all. Bro. Wow. Now, when it's time to fertilize, bro, what do? Do you pull all these trees out one by one and fertilize them? No, man. No, man. Work smarter, not harder. I have this connected to the hose and my magic fruit tree folio spray. They ain't paying me, so I ain't telling you what's in there. But it's a simple concept. I foliar feed all the leaves. The leaves send it to the plant. And I don't have to pull nothing out. Make sure all them babies get a little bit. All y'all get a little bit. Look at that. Now, does it leave a bad smell? Yes, ma'am. It smells like booty hole in here. But that ain't what we talking about. What we talking about, easy way. Get everything fertilized. You in the back get some too. Even my trees at the top, they get some too. Y'all too. It's gonna smell in here for at least 2 days. But I don't need nobody to come back in here at least 45, 55 minutes. You get it from next Friday? Never mind. But foliar feeding allows you to just spray the leaves, and the leaves transport all the fertilizer. Ain't that fantastic? Can't beat that, can you? I'm just saying. Work smarter than hard. It also allows me to keep from mixing over and over and over. Yeah, I fertilize everything. Strawberry get a little fertilizer. And if y'all were with me on the video where I planted these strawberries in there, oh, they looking good. Oh, they looking good. Not one died, not one. Another tip, even your beds you don't have nothing in, fertilize them too. Yeah, you can do that too. Collard green, come back, collard green. Come back. Now, if you really want to know what I'm fertilizing with, you're gonna have to go through some videos. I said what I use on my brassicas. That should be a tip off right there. Brassicas, nitrogen. What y'all think I got in here? Put it in the comments. What do y'all think I'm spraying with? And look at the dark color on it. Oh yeah. Fertilizing after a good rain. Oh yeah.